Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This morning in class, some of my students started talking about the kinds of sports that they like doing in their free time. And in one particular breakout room on Zoom, one student was talking very enthusiastically about her love of skiing. And at one point she stopped and asked the other two people in her group if they'd ever been skiing. One student just said, "No, never." And the other student said, "Well, yeah, I have actually. I went skiing just the once when I was 12. And the one and only time I ever tried it, I broke my leg going down a ski slope and I couldn't walk for about 6 weeks afterwards. And to be honest, the whole experience put me off skiing for life." If something puts you off something else, it makes you not want to like that thing anymore or not want to do that thing anymore. So, for example, maybe when you're 15 or 16, you try cigarettes for the first time and they taste so disgusting that you throw up. The whole experience puts you off smoking for life. In the same kind of way, you might say that the lack of parking in a particular area puts potential customers for a certain shop off. Or you might try a particular kind of food once and find that it's so disgusting that the taste puts you off for life. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you've been put off